Hey.
Hi.
What is your favorite song of your own?
My favorite song of my own. You know what? I'm really proud of Catch Me. Thank you. And I'm also really proud of Stop the World, which is on my album, and I wrote it with Nick, and we wrote it about Nick Jonas.
Next question.
Hey there, I wasn't done. Okay, never mind, I'm finished.
Sorry.
And Maria, would you like to take over the microphone for J-Man? Thank you.
Next question. What's your favorite color?
Oh, my favorite color? I'm really into purple right now. And silver, look at my microphone.
Does anyone have another question? What inspires you to write your songs?
Boys. Boys and personal well, that's the same thing. I don't know, personal experiences, life. Sometimes I witness other relationships and I'm like, that is a train wreck. I'm gonna write a song.